I don't speak any Polish, so I feel like I'm just like buying things based off like what they look like and the photo on the front of the package. Morwa Biata, so I'm learning Polish. I really like Poland. I've been here 24 hours and I'm already extending my trip. I could definitely get used to this. I live it. That's my true to life. Okay, I've just arrived to Krakow airport in Poland. A little bit tired, missed my flight yesterday because my first flight was so delayed that I missed my connecting flight, but I'm here. And first thoughts are it looks quite modern. Every taxi is a black Mercedes and it just looks really nice and clean and modern. Welcome to my new home in Krakow, Poland. So this is the apartment where I'll be staying at for the next couple of weeks. It's on the top floor of an old historic building that's been completely renovated, so it's super modern inside. I'm in the bedroom, and this is the most important part of being a digital nomad, and it's having a good workspace. Usually I like to separate my workspace from my sleeping space or living space, but in this case it's actually in the bedroom, but that's okay, maybe I'll get more work done. I could definitely get used to this. So that's my apartment, guys. I hope you like it as much as I do, and now it's time to get to work. I've been at home all day working. Do need to get outside, and so that is what I'm doing right now. I'm going for a walk to get some lunch because you can't just sit in front of your laptop all day. But I'm really looking forward to just being alone and like decompressing and working and just being cozy at home for the next month in Europe. So even though the food is so cheap here, I just went to the grocery store and got some stuff. I need to get back to work, so I'm not gonna go out to eat tonight, but I just bought so much food for like 100 zloty, which is, I want to say it's like $30, something like that, or less than $30. It's so cheap here, and I'm in a super nice neighborhood. Okay, so here is all of the food that I got for like 30 bucks. Good thing that I know what everything is because I don't speak any Polish, so I feel like I'm just like buying things based off like what they look like and the photo on the front of the package. These are mulberries, Morwa Biata, so I'm learning Polish. I really like Poland. I've been here 24 hours and I'm already extending my trip. I've been cooped up in my house all week working, and I just want to get out. The perfect day for a run. It's sunny. It's a little bit cold. It's like 46 degrees, but I think once I actually start running, I will warm up.